everyone, in this video I'm going to unbox MacBook Pro M4 Pro 1TB. So this is a 14-inch MacBook Pro. This is it. So it have 24GB memory RAM, M4 Pro chip, 1TB storage. Alright, so now I'm going to unbox this. Here we have two things to remove. I'm going to remove this one and the last one. Alright, finally we can open the box. Let's see how inside will be. I think we have to use this one to pull it up. My god, that smell perfect. Brand new MacBook Pro M4 Pro 1TB 14 inch. Here we got charging cable, and inside this we got the dock to charge the MacBook. I think this supports, yeah, it's 96 watts USB-C power adapter. Actually that's super fast. 96 watts is kind of like we can charge the MacBook within maybe 45 minutes, like that. I think. Alright, now we are going to remove this cover also and open the MacBook Pro. The color is space black. So this MacBook will be used for software development, including mobile apps and website, of course. Now here it shows couple of languages, Japanese here, konnichiwa, and of course next one, hola, and we can press enter to go next. Now we can select the language we need. I'm going to select the language as English, and the next step will be we may have to connect this to an internet connection. Before that we have to select our country. I'm going to select my country as Sri Lanka. I bought this MacBook Pro from a shop called Luxury X Colombo, and I'm going to continue. And here it asks us the written and spoken languages as input sources will be US, Sinhalese, ABC. These are keyboards. And preferred language, first one is English US. Okay, I'm going to continue, and show some accessibility things. I don't want those. I'm going to select not now, and here we have to select some internet connection. So I'm going to select my Wi-Fi and connect it. Okay, then continue. We can get data from our previous Mac. I don't want those, so I can select not now. Now we need to enter our iCloud account details. I think I could do this later, so I will press setup later because I don't want to enter those enough information here, and I will skip for now. Okay, now it showed some terms and conditions. Agree. You know what, in MacBook Pro M1 we got only 8GB RAM, but in this MacBook Pro M4 Pro we got 24GB RAM. It's It's kind of I can't say how it feels. It's higher than almost higher than 8 gigabytes, right? Okay, now this asks us to create some local account on the computer that's required to maybe access the Finder, terminal, those things. So we can enter our full name here. I am going to enter my name as Shane Ishankar, and it asks us the account name. So this will be the local name. Maybe consider about your Finder, your home path will be this account name. Here I provided Ashay Nishanka. So this Ashay Nishanka is my home folder. Ashay Nishanka is home folder. So in the terminal we can see it start with this account name, and also in the Finder home path will be this account name. Okay, now it asks us some password. I'm going to enter something. So we can enter some hint here. If we usually forget password, we don't want to do it. Because this is a personal computer, we are not going to forget everyday usable passwords. Okay, it asks us to enable location services. I'm going to turn on it. Continue, and of course I will share analytics with developers and Apple. Continue. Screen time, yeah, okay. Apple Intelligence, definitely yes. It gives us a lot of features now, including removing objects on photos and fixing text like grammar fixing and proofreading and summarizing those things, and many more. Now it asks us to enable the Siri. I'm going to continue. Now we can select the voice.
Colors of the sky fade. The colors of the sky fade with the colors of the sky. The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky fade with the colors of the sky. The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky fade. The colors of the sky fade.
Okay, 4. I will choose voice 4. Now it asks us to say Siri. Alright, Siri, how's weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Okay, continue. Now it asks us to share audio recordings. I don't know, I will share those because I know I don't have much privacy. So Touch ID, here we got the power button that having the Touch ID sensor. I'm going to click continue here and enter my finger, of course, this one. Now we have to press it multiple times and continue. Okay, now we can select the auto that adjusts the dark mode and light mode according to the time. Okay, continue. Welcome to MacBook Pro M4 Pro. Okay, this is our home screen, and that is our unboxing video and Mac setup video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoy this one, please subscribe to it. See you. Bye.